Alright, so here we are. Hello to everybody. Yesterday I released the challenge and you answered to it. I chose a few requests from you. Some of them they were fitted for our software, some of them not, because you suggested me what kind of other AI products should exist in the market. Well, we are the AI product which creates software. So all the fitted requests, let's say like this, which I considered suitable for our software, I extracted them from my messages and here we are going to code them together. Stay close and let's watch together how it works. So we begin with Miss Sonnet Carroll, which is asking us if we can make a website for her pet products. Alright, usually this type of prompt, it's enough, but it's not enough if I want to make it more specific for my business. So I should be able to tell him what are my brand colors, or maybe to come up with a new brand, we will see it in a minute, or if I want to be just a presentation website, or if my purpose is to make a shop. As for example, if you would make a shop, in my opinion, you should not use Biela. You should use a product which has been already developed and has been already created to use e-commerce, such as Shopify, such as PrestaShop. But that doesn't mean here you will not be able to build your Shopify business as well. You will be able to build your Shopify, but if your main goal is to launch only your shop and not to build a business like Shopify, then obviously you're not going to create an entire shop in Biela because it's not time efficient. Here it's all about time efficiency and cost efficiency. So let's see. I would like to create a website for my pet shop. We offer in general all the accessories for my pet shop and all the food existing, I don't know, I'm not in the business, I don't know, existing in the market for this type of business. I will leave a few typos because I want you to see how the typos are corrected and reinterpreted as well by the AI. Here we have two options. Either you will take this prompt, go to ChatGPT, ask him, I need you to be my prompt engineer, develop this idea line by line and give me all the details I should include in order for me to have the best website in the world. Or you could use our prompt enhancer and he's going to do this for you. Is going to enhance you the full project. So there are a few things which I don't recommend, as for example incorporating SEO. SEO is something which I would leave it always at the end when I finish my project, so I can go through the entire pages in order for me to understand better as AI what type of optimization I would do to this website. Alright, so now he says, as you can see, please provide any specific branding elements, logo, color scheme, store name and so on, unique selling points and etc. But let's go with this for now and to see with such a simple prompt where we are going to reach. So now the prompt is sent, our system it's already creating the container and he's able to create now file by file, is going to write the code very beautiful and placed exactly where it has to be. It is connected already to multiple libraries of free stock images. In the future we are going to come with enhanced AI which is going to create your own images on top of your own creation. So as you can see now, he's trying to create it as a cart. Obviously creating a shop here, don't misunderstand me, it is possible as it is gonna be fast, but when you create an e-commerce you have so many functionalities which you would like to have them already in your shop, and obviously you don't want to sit and develop them. But in the future, and here comes the nice part, you will be able to connect Biela, for example, to your PrestaShop or your Shopify, and you will be able to develop your own modules, place them directly on the store and sell them. This is just the beginning. And by the way, we are planning before the end of February to launch our roadmap, where you will see very clear everything what we plan to develop, when is it going to be released and how you can engage into our project. So the code has been written and the website is ready. So this is what we got so far. As you can see, this image is not well taken. We have the products page, we have the home, we have about and contact. Obviously they are empty because I need to tell Biela I would like to go further. So let's say, let's improve the home page with more, let's say, sections from the industry and of course a nice footer. Our company is based in Dubai. Let's go with this and let's see where it goes more. So now he's going to go on the homepage and improve it. Obviously, I can keep the scroll and I can see how the code is written. There are things which we are still working on. So for example, you see this flickering, this is something normal because while it's writing the code, the paragraphs are not closed, but it's not a bug, it's a feature. All right, so there we go. Now we created the footer, we placed it in the right component. I'm trying to always keep a balance between, let's say, non-technical and little bit more technical people. I'm trying to address in the same time for everyone, because this product, it can be used by you as an individual, but it can be used from the perspective of a marketing agency. It can be used from a perspective of a web development agency. Anyone can use it. All right, so there we go. We have some services, we have a newsletter, and we have a nice footer. So here is the Poe Paradise. Of course, if you would like to give me more details in the private message, now you understand what kind of prompt I would need. I would like to know more about your business. I would like to know the colors. I would like, even if you have a website already, send it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you something amazing.